Merry Christmas, it's coming! And this year, the Christmas atmosphere, the Christmas vibe is even more important than usual. So today I want to share with you a super easy to prepare, fast and super kid-friendly recipe that is Christmas pizza trees on a stick. Kids, they love everything that is on a stick. And if you match pizzas, kids' favorite, with sticks, I mean, you will have a win-win situation. Let's start together. Today I use a pre-made pizza dough from the store, but if you want to prepare your own pizza dough, I have the recipe for you. Check the link here below, or I will put the link also in the comments here below. It's quicker, it's faster. You will only need few more ingredients. That is a tomato paste, and it is important to use the paste. You want a thick consistency, a thick texture, otherwise it will spread all around and it will get a bit messy. And you also want some mozzarella cheese. I use the compact log and I shredded with the cheese grater. And what else? Some extra virgin olive oil. That's it. That's so easy. So let's start together. First thing to do, I divided my pizza dough in half. Then I grease the flat surface with some extra virgin olive oil, and either using a rolling pin or your hands, simply spread the half pizza dough in order to form a nice rectangle. With a knife, cut the rectangle for the length in two parts. Now you're going to spread the tomato paste on top of half of the pizza dough. And then on top you're going to sprinkle the mozzarella. Then slowly and delicately you're going to take the other half and place it on top of the first one and gently press so that basically the two parts will do a sandwich effect and will stick together. I previously soaked my wood skewers in some water. Simply, this is a trick so that the skewers in the oven, they will not burn or catch on fire. Now I'm going to cut my rectangle of pizza in 4 long strips. Now this is the trick. You need to fold its strip on itself in order to create kind of waves and in order to give a tree shape. So the first fold is kind of short, 1 inch. Then you will create a second fold that is larger. Then you will create a third fold that is smaller than the second one. And then you will close with the last fold that is small. You will take the pizza in your hand, take the skewer, and gently let the skewer go through your little Christmas tree, like that. Place your Christmas tree on a baking sheet lined with some parchment paper. And you can always adjust the shape of the tree once it's on the parchment paper. Don't worry. Keep going with the procedure, and with 1 pizza dough, I was able to make 8 little trees. Now the oven is already preheating at 400 degrees. What is left is to bake my little pizzas. I'm going to bake them for 18 minutes more or less at 400. And in no time you will have a super fun lunch, appetizer or snack for your little ones, and they will love it. The only idea to take the little trees from the stick and buy them, it's super fun for the kids. I really hope you're going to enjoy this recipe. You can also make some modification. If you don't like the tomato paste and mozzarella mix, you can go green with some spinach and cream cheese. The important thing is that whatever cream you're going to spread on top needs to be thick. You can even create a sweet option. For example, you can spread some jam, or you can serve some chocolate spread or almond butter. I mean, it's totally up to you. The options are endless. Check out my blog, the link is here below, to see other ideas how to fill the little pizza trees. If you have any comment, leave it in the area here below. Also, most important thing, remember to subscribe to BUONAPAPPA if you want to receive every single week a new recipe from me. And also, if you want to be notified when I post a new recipe, simply you have to click the little bell here below. You will receive an email saying BUONAPAPPA has a new recipe. So see you next week with a new one. Ciao, 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 and Merry Christmas to everyone who is going to celebrate Christmas this week. Ciao, ciao, ciao.